Well, you guys asked for it, so you get it. You guys wanted to know how we pack all of the stuff we bring in our sled. We have a Otter Medium Pro sled, different from the sport sled, just remember that. And more importantly, we got this because it all fits super nicely in Cam's truck bed, which is
it's a short bed, so 5'8", just your standard crew cab bed.
We already have our tent, which fits. Another key fits perfectly in the bed, like literally perfectly. Probably designed that way by Otter. But now we're just going to kind of quickly pack all of our stuff in here, and then we'll kind of do a time lapse, and then kind of show at the end how it all fits. If that makes sense. But yeah, we're just gonna pack it all in here and then kind of show roughly how it all kind of fits in this sled. All right, there it is, all packed. Basically, start from up here. We got the heater, got our bait bucket, battery box, rod case, 2 chairs stacked right there. Got the crate with all of our stuff. That's where we put like a fan and whatnot, drill, shovel, bucket. In the bucket we have propane, water bottles. It's a bag with like lunch and snacks. Our sonar's right there. On top of that, that's where we put on top of it when we're hauling it out, we lay the auger first and then put the tent on top. But other than that, I mean, we don't really bring as much as I guess you guys think we bring. So that's basically how it all works. And that's how perfectly it fits in there. We put it in nose facing out because that seems to fit the best. And as you can see, she locks up nicely. Yeah, we have the tonneau cover obviously over top of it, but it really fits in there nice.
Maybe 3 inches. Nothing on this tent. Right there.
That's about all we have to say on this topic. Got any other questions? Just leave it down in the comments. Other than that, like, comment, subscribe, and we'll catch you when we actually get out onto the lake. So stay tuned for future videos.